Welcome to Yaar Tech. This is an example of an executive dashboard that gives in-depth insights on key performance indicators of sales function. It gives total sales value, total profit, total quantities sold, and average delivery time as key performance indicator cards. It also bifurcates the sales data based on segment, region, payment type, ship mode, category, and subcategory. The monthly comparison trend line on sales and profits indicates whether you are trending or trailing when compared with past year. The map feature of the dashboard shows the spread of sales across the country. It visually shows the states that had the highest sales indicated by the size of the circle. Clicking on any point in the chart pops up the tooltip with more detailed information of that specific data point. In the top section, there is a slicer which can slice the data inside the dashboard based on regions such as North, South, East, and West. Clicking on any of these region slicers would change the data inside the dashboard as well as the focus of the map. Clicking on any point inside any chart changes the content of other charts in this dashboard. For example, clicking on the state California inside the map chart changes the content of all other charts, the key performance indicator cards, comparison graphs, and the sales shares. All these new values pertains to the state California. Clicking outside this chart removes all filters. Let us move to the next dashboard on forecasting. Forecasting chart is a good feature in Power BI, which helps in predicting the future trend of sales based on the past data. We can customize the future trend based on the confidence interval we select for the graph. A higher confidence interval of say 95% broadens the min, max ranges, whereas a lower confidence interval of 75% narrows the difference between min and max values. Dragging the scales from either side gives you more focused view on the trends. We can build similar executive dashboards, which will help you in course corrections, re-strategize your product positioning in the market, focus on trailing product lines and regions, and take recourse on corrective steps before things become irreversible. So don't hesitate. Contact us immediately as these dashboards can be built at very low cost and affordable rates. Now you might wonder how you can continuously channel the data so that the dashboard remains updated on a regular basis. This is where Microsoft's Power Apps tool comes to the rescue. An example of a sales data collection app built on Power Apps platform is shown here. Power Apps is considered as a platform as a service tool. Power Apps is part of the Microsoft Power Platform suite, which allows users to create custom applications, automate workflows, and analyze data without extensive coding knowledge. Power Apps provides tools to develop custom applications tailored to specific business needs. These applications can run on various devices, including mobile phones, tablets, and desktops. Key point to remember is that these applications can run on Android and iPhone, iOS apps with ease. You don't need to build separately one app for Android and another for iOS. Hence the cost of building these apps drastically come down. This is an example of a sales tracker solution that can channel the sales information on a regular basis to Power BI. Some of its functionalities are shown here. Thanks for watching this presentation. Have a good day.